Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store and earn money. First, identify a profitable niche. Research products with high demand and low competition. Think about what makes your store unique. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation. A clear focus helps attract the right customers and sets you up for success from day one. Next, it's time to build your store. Sign up for Shopify and choose a plan that fits your needs. Customize your store's look and feel to reflect your brand. Add high-quality product images and compelling descriptions. Don't forget to configure secure payment methods and clear shipping policies. A professional-looking store builds trust with your customers. Now, let's talk about getting customers. Use social media advertising to reach your target audience. Optimize your product descriptions and store content for search engines to improve organic traffic. Consider running special promotions or discounts to entice first-time buyers. Consistent marketing efforts are key to driving sales and growing your business. Finally, focus on scaling your business for long-term profitability. Regularly review your sales data to understand what's working best. Consider adding new products that complement your existing offerings. Providing exceptional customer service is vital for building loyalty and encouraging repeat business. Continuous improvement helps ensure sustained growth and higher earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.